Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to Suvi's Hair Care. Today I'm showing you how to make a gentle marshmallow root shampoo that cleanses your hair without stripping away moisture. If you struggle with dry hair, tangles or breakage after washing, this shampoo is going to be a game changer for your wash day. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the ingredients that makes this shampoo gentle and nourishing. We're started off by adding half a cup of flaxseed and half a cup of marshmallow root into boiling water. We're going to let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to take it off the stove and let it cool down. After that, we're going to strain it, and this will be our gel base for our shampoo that we're going to make. Marshmallow root tea is the base of this shampoo. It hydrates the hair and creates a natural slips that makes detangling easy. It also helps reduce dryness, keeps hair soft during washing. We're also going to use some aloe vera gel, some vegetable glycerin, and for our soap base, we're going to use African black soap. You can also use castile soap for this recipe and some cocoa profile butane. I'm not sure if I pronounced that properly, guys. To cleanse the scalp, we use a gentle liquid cleanser. These cleansers remove dirt and oil while being gentle on the hair. They help clean the scalp without leaving our hair feeling stripped. So now I'm just combining my marshmallow and flaxseed tea with my soap base, with my African black soap base. As I said, you can use castile soap for this recipe also, guys. And guys, if you'll be using African black soap for this recipe, I would encourage you to strain your African black soap, because usually after you finish melting the black soap, there will be some residue left inside of it. I'm now going to show you this is the reason why we need to strain our soap. And now that I finished straining my black soap, I am just pouring it back over into the bowl that I'll be using to make my shampoo. And now I'm adding in half a cup of distilled water. It's important that you use distilled water for this recipe. It helps to keep our products pure. Plus, it also adds hydration to our hair. Now we're adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. Aloe vera is excellent for moisturizing the hair and soothing the scalp. It helps to add hydration, reduce scalp dryness, improve shine, strengthens hair strand. Aloe vera also helps to balance moisture during cleansing. And for our next ingredients, we're using vegetable glycerin. We'll be using 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. It attracts moisture to our hair, and it also helps with the hydrating part of our shampoo. And to this vegetable glycerin, I'll be adding half teaspoon of xanthan gum, which create a smooth product texture. It also improves call definition and prevents ingredient separation. After adding it to my vegetable glycerin, I'll be mixing it properly together, ensuring that there's no lumps inside of it. And now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of cochineal butane. It's a gentle scalp cleanser. It boosts the shampoo foam. It helps remove buildup, and it makes our shampoo milder. Many shampoos can be too harsh on natural hair. They remove dirt and buildup, but they also strip away the natural oils that keeps hair moisturized. When hair loses moisture, it becomes dry, brittle, more prone to breakage, harder to detangle. That's why using a moisturizing shampoo is so important. So guys, now I am just adding the vegetable glycerin and the xanthan gum that I mixed earlier. I'm just adding it over into my shampoo. And the reason why we're adding this into our shampoo is because we want our shampoo to be a little bit thicker than it was before. Because the texture of our shampoo, it was very, very runny, and we want it to be a little bit thicker. A gentle shampoo cleans the scalp while keeping the hair soft, manageable, And that's exactly what this marshmallow root shampoo does. Now I'm just adding some tea tree essential oils into my shampoo, and I'm also adding some fragrance oil. This is optional. If you don't want to add any essential oils or any fragrance oil into your shampoo, this is optional. After adding our essential oils and our fragrance oil, we're just going to give it another gentle stir to mix them in together. And we're moving on to our next ingredient, which is apple cider vinegar. We're using 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps with the pH of our product and also with the pH on our scalp. It also helps to remove buildup from our hair, and it also helps to cleanse our hair. After mixing our apple cider vinegar, we're moving on to our final ingredients, which is our preservative. Because this shampoo contains water, adding a preservative is very important. This keeps your product safe and prevents bacteria or mold growth. So we're adding 1 teaspoon. My preservative that I'm using is up to Fin Plus, but you can use any broad spectrum preservative of your choice. And now we're going to mix it for the final time to mix in our preservative, and after that will be our, this is it, our Marshmallow Root Shampoo. It's finished, and now I am just going to pour it into the bottles that I'll be keeping my shampoo in. When the Make sure that the container or the bottle that you're putting your shampoo in, please ensure that it's clean and it's sterilized. That will also helps to preserve our product so that it will last even longer for us. And you can see this shampoo, it is smooth and it is a gentle shampoo. It's gentle enough to use every week to wash your hair. And yes guys, so this is our marshmallow root shampoo. Now let's talk about how to use this shampoo for the best result. We start by thoroughly wetting your hair. Apply the shampoo directly to your scalp. Use your fingertips to gently massage the scalp. Focus on cleansing the scalp rather than the ends of your hair. And after that, you rinse thoroughly, and you can repeat, if needed, repeat the process. For best result, follow up with marshmallow root conditioner. And guys, now this is me. I am showing you how I'm applying my marshmallow root shampoo to my hair, and I already wet my hair, as you can see, and I am just applying my shampoo to my scalp itself. And so that's the reason why I put it in this bottle, because with it being in this bottle, it's easier for me to get to my scalp, and there will be less wastage of the product. Because after spending so much time and effort making our shampoo, we do not want our shampoo to go to waste at all. So yeah, I part my hair in 4 sections, and I wet my hair thoroughly. I thoroughly wet my hair, and now I'm just applying my marshmallow root shampoo all over my scalp. You can also use a shampoo brush uh, to help to clean your scalp. But at this moment, I just choose to use my finger because I forget to take the shampoo brush in the shower with me. Now that I finished lathering up my hair, I'm just rinsing out the shampoo from my hair. And guys, when I tell you, my hair it feels clean, but not strict. I mean, sometimes you use some shampoo, like a clarifying shampoo, and your hair will feel like everything is gone from your hair. But it's not, it's not feeling like that. But my hair feel clean, but not stripped. It feels clean and also at the same time it feels moisturized. And while you're using this shampoo, you'll notice that you get softer hair, less tangling, easier detangling, and it improves moisture balance. So now we're going to let's talk about how to store our marshmallow root shampoo. With a preservative, this shampoo can last up to 3 months at room temperature, and without a preservative, you can store it in the refrigerator and use within 1 to 2 weeks. This is the amount of shampoo that I use. If you want to see how I condition my hair after using this shampoo, see you in the next video.